Hey, hello everybody. Today is February 9th, 2021. Um, all right, so we're jumping into uh, workshop 3. Okay, and as you can see here, the do now is the word is ritual. As part of her pregame ritual, the basketball player blank. Okay, so ritual is like kind of like your tradition or what kind of your habit of what you do each day. Okay. So pregame ritual, the basketball player blank. Okay, so that will be your do now. All right. Now as we are looking across at page 133 and 134, let's see, 133, 132, literary elements, setting, character, plot, and theme. Um, okay, so the lottery, this is page 132. The lottery is a short story. A short story is a brief work of fiction. Generally, a short story focuses on one or two main characters and on a single problem or conflict. Like other works of fiction, a short story includes these four elements. Okay, so setting. We're just reviewing this. I know you guys have all learned this before. So setting is where and when the story takes place. Okay, so the lottery takes place on a summer morning in the village square of a small town. Okay, so takes place on a summer morning in the village square of a small town. Okay, characters are the people in the story. Their words, thoughts, and actions help move events forward. The lottery focuses on the townspeople. Okay, so the townspeople, people who live within this town, is what the lottery characters are mostly. Okay, number 3, the plot is the sequence of events that make up the beginning, middle, and end of a story. Most plots revolve around a conflict or problem. In the lottery itself is the conflict the characters face. Okay, so the lottery is the problem. Okay, so the plot is the sequence of events that make up the beginning, middle, and end of a story. Okay, but they revolve around a conflict or a problem. Okay, all right, then the theme. The theme is the important message about life or meaning that the author wants readers to understand. One theme of the lottery is that following a tradition without considering its consequences is dangerous. Readers understand a theme by analyzing characters, words, and actions along with plot events. Okay? All right, so theme, guys, is like when you read something, you read a story, okay? Just the story alone is not everything that we're trying to get, right? The theme is like, all right, what can I learn from this story? Okay, what can I get out of it? What is kind of the deeper meaning to this story? Okay, that's what the theme is. Okay, and then, all right, down below, as you read the lottery, identify the setting, characters, plot, and theme. Organize the literary elements into the chart below. Okay, so we can probably do this without um, without even reading, okay, the story yet. Okay, so setting, okay, is where things take place. So June 27th, okay, so setting, characters, plot, and theme. Once again, setting is where and when, characters is who, the plot is kind of the timeline, right? First, second, third, fourth. The theme is like what we can learn, okay? All right, so setting. So June 27th would probably go in setting, right? Mr. Summers, where would that go? Okay. Purpose of tradition. Okay, that's probably a part of the theme, right? Okay, so the purpose of tradition would go with the theme. Okay. All right. Tessie arrives late. Ooh, that's kind of tough. I'm not sure. Let's skip over that one for now. Okay, summer. Where would that go? Well, that's probably going to be a part of the setting. Okay. Excuse me. Another yawn. Boys select stones. You know what? My guess is that's probably a part of the plot, but we don't know the story yet, so we don't know where it would come. Okay. However, you know what? We could probably put it there. Doesn't need to be in order yet. The square, meaning the town square. Okay, so that would go where? Villagers. The villagers. Setting, characters, plot, or theme. Go ahead and put that in. Features of a dystopia. Oh, probably under theme, right? Old Man Warner, character. The lottery begins. Well, that's going to be a part of the plot, right? And dangers of conformity. My guess is that's probably a theme. That's something that the author wants us to think about. Okay, the danger of conformity, just going along with the crowd, right? Okay, all right, so responses. We got setting, June 27th, summer in the square. Characters, villagers, Mr. Summers, Old Man Warner. Plot, Tessie arrives late, boys select stones, the lottery begins. Okay, theme, features of a dystopia, purpose of tradition, dangers of conformity. Okay, good. All right, I want page 132 turned in today. Okay, along with our ritual. Okay, we'll go from there. We'll probably start reading this story tomorrow. Thanks so much, guys.